everyone, I'm Lily and welcome back to our SingularXYZ FAQ series. If you are using the Z1 Gen X receiver, you might need to access its web page for tasks like downloading static data, updating firmware, or other settings. However, unlike other receivers, Z1's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi cannot work at the same time. So, you will need to manually switch to Wi-Fi before accessing the web page. Let's go through the steps. By default, Bluetooth of Z1 is enabled at startup, so after connecting your Z1 to SinglePad via Bluetooth, you need to go to Device. Device setting to switch to Wi-Fi connection. Keep the default IP address and enable Wi-Fi. Then connect your PC or mobile device to the Z1 Wi-Fi network, named after its serial number. Enter the Wi-Fi password 12345688. Once connected, visit IP 192.168.10.12 in a web browser. Then, default username and password are both admin. Now you can download static data, configure settings, or perform firmware updates as needed. Just remember to switch from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi before accessing the Z1 webpage. If you found this helpful, let us know in the comments. See you in the next FAQ.